Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to make this mouth-watering original bitter leaf soup made with cocoyam. So this is the original authentic OFE-ONUGBO. Keep watching, subscribe if you've not subscribed, turn on your notification bell, like and share the video. Enjoy! Can you spot this freshly washed bitter leaf? So here are the ingredients we'll be needing for this soup. Here we have the bitter leaf, which is the star of the dish. Looking so fresh, washed properly, and is ready. This is beef. You can as well use any protein of your choice, but I'm using beef for this. Dried fish, stockfish, and the cocoyam properly washed as well. Palm oil, grounded crayfish, fresh pepper, Ogiri. This is a must in this soup. Salt and seasoning cubes, that's all we will need, and of course water as well. In a pot, cook the cocoyam, and in another pot, season the beef with seasoning cubes and salt. Allow to boil before adding water. The meat have been steaming for a while, and I just added water to cook it properly. In a bowl, wash the stockfish with hot water. Wash it very well and rinse with cold water. Also wash the dried fish with hot water as well. Debone and rinse it properly with cold water as well. Back to the main pot, the meat have been boiling pretty well. It's now time to add the fish. First start by adding the dried fish, followed by the stockfish. Cover and allow to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Back to the other pot where the cocoyam is boiling. It's now time to check if it's cooked properly. Simply press one of the cocoyam, and if it presses inside, then it's ready. Bring it down, peel and pound in a mortar. You can as well use a blender for this. Back to the main pot, everything is boiling perfectly well. It's now the right time to add the pepper, crayfish, ogiri, and palm oil. Cover to boil for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, it's now time to add the cocoyam paste inside the pot. Add it in small portions for it to dissolve quickly. After adding the cocoyam paste, cover for about 5 to 7 minutes. This have been cooking for about 7 minutes and it have dissolved very well. Stir very well. You can adjust your seasoning, test for salt, but please be careful with salt. It's now time to add the star of this soup, which is bitter leaf. Add it, and your bitter leaf must be long. Can you perceive the aroma in this kitchen? Guys, the aroma is so heavenly. Cover for 1 minute. Stir in the bitter leaf into the soup. Stir it, and the soup is ready. I'm excited because the soup is ready. You can have this soup with any swallow of your choice, but the preferred swallow for this soup is fufu. Apple can go very well with this original OFE-ONUGBO. I'm happy, guys. Can you see how delicious and how colorful this soup is? Guys, I'm so excited. If you've not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please smash that subscribe button for me, please. Turn on your notification bell. Like this video, it's very important. Like the video, share the video as well. See you in my next one. Bye.